My name is Braulio Amezaga. I'm the audiovisual manager and education specialist here at UT Health San Antonio Center for Simulation Innovation. The SimLab exists as a way for students to practice their skills before they go into a real-life setting. The concept that we have down here is that you learn through experience. So you gain initial experience here down at the lab, and then you apply that experience once you're out there in a clinical setting.
The Society for Simulation in Healthcare has very stringent requirements to really become that recognized accredited center. So that's where we really were looking for the next piece. I needed new camera systems. We had analog, and when you start broadcasting analog, it gets pixelated and everything else. So we needed to move to the next level. And I had an opportunity to work with Ford AV. It was the perfect solution for us.
With their technology, what it allows us to is create opportunities for students to learn. And so that's something that we were missing from the previous systems. But now everything's streamlined, up to date in technology, so the quality is better, the sound is better, and the overall experience for both students and faculty is better. What you have is experience, right? You have Ford AV with the hardware experience with cameras, sound, placement of cameras and sound. Their experience is valuable.
It really came together beautifully. And once we got this installed, then I really knew that we were ready for that next step for accreditation. So with accreditation, we had to have learning software, we had to have the new digitized camera systems, the controllers. I mean, we've been completely refitted, and knowing we were going to be asking for accreditation, it was with pride. It is truly now the center of excellence because that technology piece, the simulation center, is so very important. I really don't think we could have asked for accreditation without Ford AV. I really don't, because we would have been behind the curve as far as our technology.